If you're looking for more leads or opportunities to grow your business, then head to LinkedIn. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use LinkedIn InMail to increase conversions. If you want to earn media exposure without spending money on ads, then subscribe to this YouTube channel where I post videos like this one every Thursday. And at the end of this video, I am sharing a brand new cheat sheet that I made just for you that will help you increase your visibility on LinkedIn. To get that, you can head to linkedinvisibility.com. Hello, if you are new here, my name is Christina Nicholson and I help businesses all over the world increase their exposure without spending money on ads. And today it is all about LinkedIn InMail. LinkedIn is my #1 source for business opportunities. I get approached not just by potential clients, but also for speaking gigs, to be a podcast guest, to be a guest on online summits, and it all happens in the messages or in InMail if you're not directly connected to somebody. So what is LinkedIn InMail? InMail messages are sent directly to another LinkedIn member or from another LinkedIn member that you are not directly connected to. If you're connected to somebody, it's just called messaging. Now, if you have the basic version of LinkedIn, you do not get InMail credits. You do need to have the premium version to send messages or InMail to somebody that you're not directly connected to. And you receive a specific number of InMail credits depending on what kind of LinkedIn plan you have. And you can see the number of available InMail credits that you have if you look at the top section of your Manage Your Account section on LinkedIn. So now you're probably wondering how to send InMail on LinkedIn. Well, the first thing you want to do is navigate to the profile of the person who you want to send InMail to, and then you just click on the message button on the introduction card. And remember, if you have a basic account, you can't send InMail, but if you have a premium account, you do get a certain number of InMail credits and you can always purchase more. And I'm wondering, how do you use LinkedIn for business? You're watching this video, so you obviously are interested in using LinkedIn for business if you aren't already. So let me know in the comments, how do you use LinkedIn for business? And you can also use InMail for jobs. So I'm gonna tell you how to use InMail for jobs, whether you're hiring or you're looking for a job. So if you're looking to hire somebody, then you can send them InMail and you can tell them about the job position and why you're interested in hiring them. Because remember, you can always see somebody's profile if it's not set to private. So if you like what you see in their profile, then you wanna send them InMail. And if you're applying for a job or a position with somebody, you don't want your resume to get lost in the shuffle. So sending them a message through InMail makes you stand out. And it also makes you stand out if you have that premium account, especially when you're looking for a job. Because if you have a premium account on LinkedIn, it just makes you look a little bit more serious and invested in your profession. And remember, when you're sending any message or InMail on LinkedIn, personalization is key. Because we all get those messages or InMail that is like paragraph after paragraph after paragraph, and it's somebody overly promoting themselves. You know, you are just one of 500 people receiving the same thing that's been copied and pasted. So make sure you personalize your message on LinkedIn. Use the person's name, use something specific like the job title if that's what you're messaging about, or whatever you're talking about, just make sure it's super personal so it could not be copied and pasted and shared with somebody else. And if you are using LinkedIn to post a job, you actually get 5 free LinkedIn InMail credits to use. So you can use those to reach out to potential prospects. So that's a plus to using LinkedIn if you're using it to find somebody to hire for a new position within your company. Getting InMail credits. Okay, so I already told you that the basic version does not come with them. Premium does, but only a certain amount. And every month you're gonna get new credits. And you can accumulate those credits from month to month, but after 90 days, they will expire. So you have to use them or you lose them in a 3-month period. Okay, now this is my favorite part, tips to writing InMail to increase response rate. You don't want to be spammy. We already talked about being personal in a lot of these InMail messages, but I'm gonna give you some quick tips that will help you get a response rate quicker. So here they are. Design your InMail as a conversation starter. This isn't something where you're gonna seal the deal really quickly. You just wanna start with a conversation. Too many people, they try to seal the deal in one message, and that is spammy, that turns people off. So send a message to actually start a conversation instead of sealing the deal. Mention the profile content that prompted you to write. Again, this is when we talk about being personal. The more personal you are, the better it is for you to get a response. Choose words that reflect your personal voice and be brief, like short, sweet, and to the point. We're all busy. We all have email on top of LinkedIn InMail, so you want to use your own words to get to the point quickly. This will also help somebody respond to you quicker because it didn't take them a whole lot of time to read your message. Therefore, they're more likely to type a response and get that conversation started. And remember, you want to give somebody a reason to reply. So always ending with an open-ended question is great because they'll want to reply. Maybe if you share your opinion about something and you ask them for theirs, if you're asking for advice or even a referral, those are all great things that you can kind of tweak and rearrange in the form of a question to prompt that response. And if you haven't already, please make sure you check out my video about how to promote yourself on LinkedIn. I'll link to it in the description of this video. And don't forget to grab that brand new cheat sheet that I just made at linkedinvisibility.com. In that cheat sheet, I am walking you through step by step how to promote yourself on LinkedIn. So make sure you check out the video and then head to linkedinvisibility.com to grab that cheat sheet. I'm sharing everything that I do to use LinkedIn to get more clients and more speaking gigs and everything else that has built my brand to the brand that it is today. So you can do the same, and this cheat sheet is a huge help. And don't forget to let me know in the comments how you're using LinkedIn to build your business. If you haven't used it yet to build your business, hopefully this video is helpful to you and you're going to start. So let me know what you're going to start doing on LinkedIn to build your business in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel where I post videos every Thursday.